And then from Alex from Walnut Creek, California, Castle Rock Farm. Thanks so much for providing the small farm community with so much great insight and information. It's been your YouTube channel, book, and these videos that have inspired and empowered me and have the confidence to build the farm that I have. That's awesome, dude. Thank you for saying that. I'm going to be around. I'm going around to my nearby restaurants this next month to see if I can establish a relationship with some chefs. And I'm kind of paraphrasing your email. There's only a select few around me to leave a good impression. So any tips and tricks? Yeah, you mean go in with some product. You know, don't hesitate to be generous. I mean, you're in California, so you're probably already growing salad greens in the field. But don't hesitate to be generous. Give them some stuff that they can use. Like give them a couple pounds of salad mix. Give them, 4 or 5 ounces of microgreens, whatever it is, a few bunches of something, give them some product that they can use. Leave a fresh sheet, be short and concise. Like, this is my farm. This is what I do. Whatever you might want to customize your pitch, and that, like, I'm looking to cater to guys like you, and I want to provide value that you can't get somewhere else. And I'm saying that in broad terms, right? So you want to be more specific, but, do that, and then leave some product with a fresh sheet, and then tell them that you're going to follow up with a call, and follow up on Monday. Call them in 2 days and say, how's the product? What'd you think? And kind of go from there.